My name is Andrea, and I'm a ceramic designer, and I'm based here in Bo. Coming from Mexico, you're always memories like walking in the markets with my family and just seeing all these terracotta pots everywhere and just got into it. I never worked with clay as a kid, like I never touched it before I was in university. I really got into the ceramics workshop. That's where I felt more connected with the material, and my tutors there were actually great. They really encouraged me. They were like, you should continue. Ceramics is a slow endeavor. You can't rush things. You need to take your time. And you always think you can make things quicker, but with ceramics, there's a power of it that's bigger than all your deadlines. This is due to drying time. You just need to let the clay dry and work on it at the perfect stage of if you need to trim it, you need to wait until it's leather hard. If you need to fire it, you need to wait until it's completely bone dry. Otherwise, if you put wet stuff inside the kiln, it will just explode into pieces. You need to make sure that your raw ingredients are as good as they can be. I think when you make sure that your starting elements are good, then the rest is just all about you making it work and your skill. I just like quite simple things that can be used daily and just uncomplicated forms. I really love the material itself. Clay for me, it's something amazing, and I love how just the colors and the texture and how tactile it is. I'm definitely always trying to highlight that quality of clay. I really like pots with glazes, and other people's work that use glazes I really admire, but I've never been into glazes. I've been much more into clay bodies. The industrial nature of the surroundings here, like we have the canal and all the warehouses and all of those buildings. Always like looking at this window with this derelict building in front of us. As time passes, you just start loving where you are, and like, actually I love this building now. I love those broken windows. I love the way the sun is reflected on them, the light that they bring inside my studio in the evenings. I like the basic shapes and forms, and I do like to think of my work as something architectural. Maybe people are not used to understand that ceramics actually takes a lot of stages for it to be ready. So if I make a cup today, the fastest I can get it back to you probably 3 weeks' time. Just need to take your time and enjoy it. It's quite absorbing, and that's why it's so meditative, I guess, also, because you can't be on a rush, so you really need to be present. For me, it's not that I'm making a singular piece. The whole group is the piece. So the whole process of me of work, just like when I'm making a board of cups, how the whole process is split into different stages. I just really love that. It's like a cycle, and again and again, and you start over again, and it's very cyclical, and I love that about it. I don't see my pieces as display pieces. I want people to use them on a daily basis and become their favorite thing, and yeah, that's what I want them to be, more than something you have on a beautiful shelf in your living room or kitchen. I want you to use it, feel it, put your lips on it. Even if it's a straight shape, I think it's quite comfortable to hold and the proportions are kind to the hand. The aim is for them to be functional on a daily basis.